What's up guys, welcome back to a video of Build a Boat, and here I'm with TSMA. Would you like to say hi?
Hello everyone.
And Billy Boy, would you like to say hi?
Hi.
Alright, today we're gonna be trying to build a boat that's gonna get to the very end.
Wish us luck guys.
Yeah, we're gonna need it. Just
so
make
the boats that we're gonna be also building is gonna be off the Titanic.
Okay. So let's just start off with a little small boat. See how well this does. Let's just say we've finished the boat. A pretty basic ship. We're going to see how this goes, and if we win, the video ends. If it doesn't, then it doesn't.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, we're on.
And it drives, it's a good sign. It's always a good sign.
Coming up to the first box.
Yeah. Okay, we're at the first obstacles.
Yeah, nearly there.
I reckon we can dodge through these.
Yeah, probably light boat, like I would say. Yeah, we're probably like sliver compared to the one that we designed yesterday. It was pretty long.
Yeah, our previous builds, I wasn't on camera unfortunately, were huge and got to like the last level. As you can see on the right side of my screen, I've already unlocked the whole map as I've been doing some practicing, so I can do good videos, good content for you guys.
Hopefully we might make it through. Slip through the stuff.
Yeah, hopefully we can slip it through and get through. Okay.
Make some tight turns.
Tight turns, tight turns, smooth turns.
We haven't got a kit yet, have we?
Oh, well now we have.
And again.
Okay. Let's keep heading through. I'm getting.
Like this.
Okay, first block of our ship's been destroyed. Okay, only one block. Okay, only one block, so it's not that bad. Oops. Okay, there's a train apparently. Okay, thank you for letting me through. You're very kind. Psych.
This boat is actually doing very good.
I like making small boats because you can like slither through. You don't have to get hit all the time. Wow. Okay, tornado, avoid it, we've got to avoid it. Go this way. Oh, we're past the halfway mark. That's good. Oh no, not the acid, it just destroys me. This metal just melts from the acid. Imagine. How do we get through?
Underneath.
We're too long. Like with the hot, we're too high. Our seats. Lost your hair.
Ooh, I'm going to do my seat.
No, you stole my seat. How dare you?
Sorry.
Okay. Oh no. Okay. Don't die. No. I'm alive.
Come on, I'm dead.
I'm alive.
Gamer.
Guys, I'm gonna get through. No. We got to one of the last levels.
And that's just one.
On our first time. Okay.
Let's build a
We're gonna make a quick boat and we'll see once we've made it. We're back with our level 2 boat. As you can see, we have added some balloons, some chests, and some little bit of walls to help us.
Woohoo!
Alright, let's launch the boat.
Let's do this.
Launch the boat and let's get started. Okay, it's drivable. The balloons are helping us be able to drive. Okay, see how we're doing. We're dodging. Okay, we're dodging. Oh, I think we've been hit.
Oh,
Yeah, we've hit.
No. Chest.
It's not that bad though. You can't drive. Oh, we've been hit bad. Have we lost any damage? Have we had any damage? Oh, look at that little clean through. Okay. Oh, okay. It looks like we're a bowling ball and we're just getting hit into everything. Okay, yeah, we've taken damage. We've taken big damage. Oh,
we've lost nearly the whole front.
that was not very exciting. We're about halfway, let's just say. We're doing pretty good. We're doing good. We're in the medium difficulty. Okay, we've entered the hard difficulty. This is still pretty easy. We're managing to dodge.
That's the question.
Okay, this is where we're gonna die. Oh no, we've lost our motor.
That is a problem.
Nah. Okay, this is a big problem. We should not have lost it this early. It's not good at all. Let's see. Check on the damage. Oh, okay. That acid's not good.
Yeah.
The metal's holding up. Oh no. They're bombs. Watch out. Oh god, that's not nice.
Oh no, that thing's just.
Bruh! All the loose parts just get taken away.
Hopefully we get
Oh
to
my god.
the part that we got to last time.
Yeah.
Kind of.
We're on the last level that we were on before. Our boat looks better. Oh, why did I say that? You guys don't have a chair, do you? Oh, neither do I. It's ripped my clothes off. How dare it? Look at me, I'm teeny. What the hell? Okay, we've got barely anywhere to stand. No, we're gone. We're goners. No. Okay, level 2 boat did not get complete. Alright, we'll be back with a level 3 boat. Stay tuned to find out what our level 3 boat is. Okay guys, this is the full reveal. Now let's go test it. We're in the water. We've made it too heavy. Oh no. We've made it too heavy. But these balloons are making it lift a bit. As you can see, if I turn it, it starts lifting.
I think you should like.
Okay, we can't turn, but we can slow down a bit.
This is the
Let's see what happens.
Titanic.
Yeah, this is the Titanic on level 3. See how we do?
And it's attempt. So.
Yeah, attempt 3.
So.
If some of that front bit can just fall off, we should be able to steer and drive. Well, luckily the front's gonna get hit, and as you can see, this area here is pretty protected, so as long as that there breaks and not this main ship breaks, then we're alright. I think we just hit something. Alright. So we're on level 2 and we're doing pretty good. Alright, we're getting hit a teeny bit. Not that bad. Not too shabby.
Yeah.
Oh, we got hit. Oh, we got hit again. As long as it's the front that's getting hit, then it's good. Oh no. Oh, that's not good. That's not good.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh god, there's a big one.
Oh, we're getting hit bad. Oh, no. Oh, okay. It's not good. It's not good. Okay, let's try speed through. Oh, we have steering again. We have steering again. We have steering. Let's quickly steer out of it. Okay. Now we have steering.
Oh god, no.
Oh no. His seat broke.
No.
No. TSMA is down. But our ship and the ship's soul isn't.
It's just me, Billy, well, me, hashtag Billy, and her gamer.
Okay. We're going to do a part 2 if you want. Let us know down in the comments below. We're going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.